Nagdadasal ka, girl. Vlog na naman. Okay. What's up, guys?
The different departments na ina-offer na anyway, ayun. So, how about you, partner?
For me naman, I hope they get to enjoy and feel the feeling of a freshie kasi once lang talaga yan at pagdating nyo ng second year, third year, up until the fourth year, magiging super busy na. So, i-treasure nyo yung moments na to. And of course, may mga prizes and other...
Things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. Like you look like where you wanna hang right now.
When you're part of the school, so dito ka lang.
For 1 hour, yung pinaka-minimum. Ayan, tapos details nyo na. Ayan, tapos bubok. Tapos babayad na kayo. Joke lang, walang bakit. Magbubok. Kasi ito naman yung seminars and webinars. So sa Smile to, kung mapapansin nyo minsan nag-invite yung guidance office kung kunyari
It opens from Mondays to Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And please also take note that every term break, the LRC changes its schedule from 8:30.
So, ang health services operating hours po natin, Monday to Saturday po tayo, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Pero syempre may lunch break po kami na 12 to 1. But if emergency...
So, dito yung school namin.
Influencer. Vlogger nga.
Nilipat kasi yung ano namin, building. Guys, this is our room. Doon kami upo, oh. Yeah, tapos 211. 211, ito. Magkatabi lang. Yan, guys. Ito yung hallway. Ang ganda! Sayang kung pwede lang dun, oh.
Yes, fine, so...
So, yun lang yung room namin. 211, tsaka 212 kasi yung iba online class na daw.
Ay mo alam.
Grabe, ano yung bashers?
I'm not
Wait,
basher
nasa
po.
bash.
I'm just felt cute lately.
Ito yung hallway namin. Hindi siya nakakapagod kasi second floor lang siya.
Wala mo, second floor nga.
The dogs are barking. Pupunta naman kami sa
Intramuros.
NU main. Bibili kami ng uniform.
Sana sarado.
Nakakadalawang ano na ako Tapos wala pa lang stock ko.
Nabusan na kayo.
Kailan pa yun?
Sorry po.
Ang daming tao. Oo. Hey guys, so ano kami? Yung classmate ko, bumili siya ng shirt bumalik kami dito sa NU. Pupunta naman kami sa National Museum mamaya. Yan, dito. Walang tao. Kanina sobrang daming tao nung bumibili kami ng uniform. Ngayon wala na.
Go. Talon.
Hi guys! So, andito kami ngayon sa NU Parang tayo. Ano? Pagkabaan na doon si Bella. Vlogger na. Hello sa vlog ni Joe. Sana mabigyan na siya. Saan na to? Saan na yun? Ang ganda.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now, flip to edge out. To some ice cold, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need grass now, got me bummed out. You so baby,
Is this Greece?
I've been on my empty mindset. I should have kept on losing the best in me.